Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 4, and today I'll show you how to transfer files from your SD card to a internal storage and vice versa. Now to get started, I'm gonna capture a couple of photos so I have something to move around. There we go, should be enough. So to get started, let's open up our Files app, which is in the Google folder. Let's continue. Allow access to storage. And at the bottom you should see storage devices. If you do not see any, all you need to do is tap on the three dots and then select show storage devices. Now for me it's the exact opposite, but for you it should be show storage devices. So from there, once you see the storage devices, choose whichever one you have your data that you want to move on. I believe my photos are most likely on the internal storage, so that's where I'm gonna go. And let me quickly check. There they are. It looks like I captured several more photos than I actually expected. Now, as a brief guide, this menu right here, DCIM folder, will contain photos, videos captured with the device itself, as you can see, along with the screenshots. Then we have Downloads folder, which will contain anything that you have downloaded through a web browser or email. It'll get saved into this, and then the rest of the folders are usually empty or filled with some kind of data that some kind of app might save to it. So for instance, things like photos right here. If you have downloaded some kind of photo editing app, it is possible that it will be saving into this folder, but it might as well also create its own folder by the name of the app. So for you, there's most likely going to be more photo folders in here than it is for me. But anyway, once you find your files, which I'm going to use the photos like I said, you want to select them, and you do it by simply holding a single file. So as you can see, I'm just going to start holding the first photo. It gets selected like so, and then you can tap on additional ones to add them on. So this is doing it kind of manually. You could add every photo here, or you can tap on the three dots and choose to select all. So that is one way. And if you don't want all of them but majority, you can deselect ones that you don't want. If you want all of them, to keep it organized, I would suggest that you select the entire folder. That will also include everything that is inside of there. But whichever way you do it, it's just more of a convenience base, so whichever way is more convenient to you, that's the one that you should choose. But once you have it selected, tap on the three dots and then choose one of the two options, so move to or copy to. Now if you choose to move it, the files will be completely removed from where they are right now and move to any location of your choice. But if you choose to copy them, the phone will literally create a duplicate, keeping the old ones where they are right now and moving the secondary copy of them to a new location. I'm gonna go with move for now, and once you select one of the two options, it will bring up this window right here, so move to, and you have option to either move it somewhere else on the internal storage. That's where the files are for me right now anyway, so I could change the folder where they are located at, or I can just move it also to the SD card. That's what I'm gonna choose right here. And SD card has basically the same folder structure minus a couple of folders, it looks like. So you can tap on each folder that you want to move it to. For instance, I could drop it in the downloads, or I can just drop it right in the middle of the SD card right here. I can also create a new folder if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna drop it in the downloads, whatever. So move here, continue, and allow access to SD card, allow, and it will begin moving it. And there we go, it's now been moved. As you can see, we're still on the internal storage and there's still camera folder, but if we go into it, it's now completely empty. The phone automatically creates this folder once it's not here. But if we go back to the main page right here, navigate to our SD card and go to downloads, there's our camera folder along with all of its photos that were inside of it. And the same process works for any kind of file. You basically follow the same process to achieve whatever else you want to move. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.